Okay guys, so this time, so punta tayo sa equipment maintenance. So doon sa problem, so may tatlong speed daw tayo na pwedeng patakbuhin yung makina natin. So we have speed A, so may output yun per hour, and tool regrinding. So syempre sa equipment maintenance kasi, hindi lang, sabi ko nga, hindi lang puro takbo. So dapat yung machines mo is kino-condition mo rin or chine-check mo siya. Okay, so that efficient pa rin yung makina mo. So, dun sa speed A, so sinulat ko na naman. So, that's, ang napoproduce ng machine, pag ito yung takbo niya, is 200 pieces per hour. So, yan yung kanyang output. So, since tumatakbo siya sa loob ng 8 hours at speed A, so ilan yung napoproduce niya in 8 hours? So that's 200 times 8. So 1,600 pieces. So after 8 hours, doon siya mag-regrind. So may regrinding. So tigil yung operation. So mag-regrind siya. So yun. Or mag-ano siya ng tool. Mag-grind. Ayan. Or sa sharpen niya yung, or check yung machine. So, of course, ang goal kasi natin dito, so we need to get the potential or yung parang economical speed. Okay, so is it speed A ba, B, or C? So, compare natin yan by their cost of operation. So, yun. So, start tayo with speed A. So, what are the cost of production in running your machine at speed A? Okay, so compute natin. So, of course, unang cost natin, tool cost, tinatawag. So, ito yung mga cost, nilista ko na. So, may have tayong tool cost. Siyempre, machine kasi yan. So, may tool yan. Regrinding cost. Tapos, yung operator mo, siyempre, yung machine yan. So, may operator yan o may tao yan. Then, yung tool grinder, yung mag-grind ng tool mo. So, may bayad yun. So, tao rin yan. And machine cost. Yung cost ng machine. So, siyempre, kuryente, utilities, and ng machines. So, may bayad yan. So, yan yung ating kukumpitin. Of course, we'll start with tool cost muna. So, under tool cost, so meron tayong ilan? So, 1,800. So, pare-parehas naman yan eh. So, either anong speed yan. So, ito yung constant. So, yung tool cost. Mapa speed A man, B, or C. So, how do you compute for the tool cost? So, that's ilan yun? 1,800 divided by, so, after 20 times daw na paggamit. So, wala na. So, baga, 20 times mo siyang ma-maximize. So, divided by 20. So, 1,800 divided by 20, ilan yun? So, that's 90 pesos. So, all throughout naman yan. Okay? Pare-pares yung cost. Then, regrinding. So, meron kang cost dyan na. Magkano? So, regrinding cost is 18 pesos. So, constant din yan. So, kahit speed B, speed C, yung pa rin. So, hindi nagbabago yan. Eto, so ano yung nagbabago or nagbabary? Siyempre, yung machine operator. Since hindi naman pare-pares yung operating hours. So, dito, sabi dun sa problem, so kahit yung pagpapalit ng tool, which is 1 hour, may bayad yun. So, bayad yung tool change na tinatawag. So, how do you compute for the wage of machine? Siyempre, yung operation niya, 8 hours, of course, plus yung 1 hour na tool change, times the salary. So, magkano yung sahod ng tao mo? So, 450 pesos. So, yun yung machine, or yun yung salary ng tao mo, or yung operator mo. Okay, so, ilan yan? So, 450 times 9 hours. So, that's 4,050 pesos. Ayan. Okay, so, operator yun. How about yung tool grinder? So, tool grinder, fix naman yun since 1 hour lang yun eh. So, times 1 ano lang, 1 hour, so 425 pa rin. Okay. So, 425 pesos. So, hindi nagbabago yun. Since ang trabaho lang naman ng tool grinder is for 1 hour lang. Okay. How about machine cost? Siyempre, yung chargeable against the machine, so 100 pesos per hour. Eh, since how many hours yung operation? 8 hours. So, that's 8 times 100. So, that's 800 pesos. Ayan. Okay, so total natin. So what is our total cost ng speed A? Ayan, so add mo lang. So ano yung mga cost? 90 pesos, 18, 4,050, 425, and 800 pesos. So compute. So pag inad niyan using calculators na lang, so that's 5,383 pesos. Ayan. So ito yung total cost. How do you compute now for the cost per piece? So first, i-divide nyo lang tong total cost dun sa total produce. So that is cost per piece natin. Ilan yun? So 5,383 divided by 1,600 pieces. So that's 3 pesos and 36 cents na lang approximately per piece. So ayan yung cost per piece mo to produce the 1,600 pieces at speed A. So yan. So pagko-compare natin yan kung ano yung mas mababa. So that's your speed A. Na punta tayo sa speed B. So sa bilang page yan. How about speed B? Ito yan. So sabi ko nga ano yung constant tool cost. So pay mo na lang 90 pesos. Hindi na nagbabago yan. Regrinding cost. So 18 pesos pa rin yan. So of course ano yung nagbabago? So wage of machine operator. So since speed B, so ilan yung kanyang operation? 7 hours lang. So that's 7 hours. Okay, so plus yung 1 hour na pagpapalit ng tool. So 8 hours times sahod niya 450. Ayan. So ayan. So using calculators na lang. So compute niyo yung cost B. So ilan kaya yan? Yung machine operator. So that's 3,600 pesos. Ayan. Of course, wage ng tool grinder. So hindi pa rin nagbabago yan since 1 hour pa rin naman yun. So 425. So ito yun kasi. So then, machine cost. So of course, in 7 hours ang operation times 100. So that's 700 pesos. Ayan. So ayan. Then total cost na lang. So using calculators, add nyo lang 90 plus 18 plus 3, 6, 4, 2, 5, and 700. So that's 4,833. Ayan yung total cost mo. Then your cost per piece. Cost per piece na lang. So, of course, ito divide by total output. So, 7 hours operation times yung per hour niya, which is 250 pieces. So, 7 times 250, 1,750. So, that's 4,833 divided by 1,750 pieces. So, magkano yung cost per piece? That's 2 pesos and 76 cents per piece. Ayan. So, mas mababa to, no? So, speed A kasi, speed A, meron kang 3.364 per piece. So, medyo mahal yan. Then, speed B, medyo mura. 2.76. Okay? Ayan. So, of course, di pa tapos. Meron pa tayong C. So, let's compute now for speed C. Ito na. Okay, so let's compute for speed C. So, yun pa rin. So, constant pa rin yun. So, tool cost, 90 pesos pa din. So, same with regrinding, 18 pa rin yan. So, of course, ito yung nagbabago, yung wage ng machine operator. But this time kasi, so, 5 hours na lang yung operation plus 1 hour tool change. So, 6 hours times yung sahod ng 450. So, ayan. So, ilan to? So, 6 times 450, that's 2,700. Then, tool grinder, yung pa rin, 425 pa rin yan. Okay, since 1 hour pa rin naman yung papalit ng tool. Then, machine cost, of course, since 5 hour operation times 100. Okay, since per hour 100, so ilan? 500 pesos. And what is your total cost? So, add mo lang 90 plus 18 plus 2,742,500. So, that's 3,733. Ayan. So, yung total cost mo. Then, to get the cost per piece natin. So, of course, divide mo lang to dun sa total pieces. So, that's 5 hours operation times 280. Ayan yung napoproduce per hour. So, 280 times 5, 1,400. So, divide nyo lang to ng 1,400. Ayan. 1,400 pieces. So, ilan yan? So, that's 2.66 cents. Okay. Per piece. O, ayan. By comparison, so, compare natin. So, yung speed A natin, so, that's 3.364 per piece. So, mahal. How about sa P? Sabihin natin, 2.76, mahal pa rin. Okay. Then, lastly, yung speed C. So, which is at 2 pesos and 66 cents. So, in short, para yung maintenance ng machine mo is less, so, dapat ang takbo lang niya is at speed C. So, speed C is more economical. So, mabagal man siya, pero di ba mabagal? Yung regrinding niya kasi every 5 hours. So, mas maganda na yung, sabi ko nga, mas maganda, mas efficient yung makina mo kung nasa oras or tama yung oras ng pagtigil mo or pag maintain or maintenance ng makina mo. Kaya nga may tinatawag, sabi ko nga, dun sa discussion natin, there's always a preventive maintenance. Para at least yung efficiency ng makina mo is okay pa rin. So, natakbo siya efficiently. So, yun. So, speed C is more economical. Okay. So, walang problema. So, kumbaga, laging magtakbo ng takbo lagi yung makina mo. So, hanggat maaari, meron kang maintenance. So, yun guys. So, that's problem equipment maintenance. So, our next naman is personnel naman. Okay? So, utilization of personnel. So, yun guys. Thank you.